Hello everyone, you're welcome once more to Educate. I'm your tutor, Mr. If you are here new to this channel, you're highly welcome. Alright, so today we have a problem on the board on calculus. Actually, it's on differentiation, a simple one. So we are simply going to apply the general method to solve, this differentiation on polynomial expression. So our solution, just a quick reminder, if I have y is equals to ax raised to power n, okay? So our dy over dx simply means the a, we are going to bring down this n, okay, to multiply the a, and we are going to actually subtract 1 from the power. Right, so this expression is going to be our dy over what dx, okay? We are going to differentiate, okay, for x raised to the power of 3 minus we are going to differentiate, okay? We have 2x raised to the power of 2, and we are going to differentiate finally. Okay, this is also x raised to the power of 1. Alright, so now applying this general what method, so our dy over dx is going to be, now this 3 is going to multiply the 4, so I have 4 multiplied by 3. Then actually we are going to subtract 1 from the power. Okay? So we have minus. And this 2 is going to come down to multiply the 2 we have as coefficient, and we are going to subtract 1 from the power. Now plus, okay, the 1 is going to come down to multiply x, and we are going to subtract 1 from the power. Alright? So from this, we have just, okay, 1 or 2 steps, and we'll get at our final answer to this problem. So for this part, I have my dy over dx. Remember 4 times 3 is 12, so I have 12 multiplied by x raised to the power of 2, because 3 minus 1 is 2, minus, okay, now 2 times 2 here is 4, so I have x raised to the power of 2 minus 1 is 1, so we have plus, okay, so 1. So this is x raised to the power of what? 1 minus 1 is 0, so x raised to the power of 0. So we can recall from our indices that x raised to the power of 0 is equals to 1. So we are going to substitute that here. So my dy over dx is going to give us, so this is 12 times x raised to the power of 2 minus 4x. Okay, 4x also means 4x raised to the power of 1. So plus, okay, I can write this as what 1 times what 1. So our final solution to this problem is going to be 12x raised to the power of 2 minus 4x, and 1 times 1 there is 1. So this gives us the simple solution to this problem. Alright guys, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and share this video with somebody that it may be of help. I'll see you guys soon.